Hello, my name is Sydney Weesmore and I will be presenting Catalyst Fitness. I am a registered nurse, so unfortunately I cannot have a real audience due to myself quarantining. I don't want to be around people right now, so I'm going to be presenting it in front of my dogs. What is Catalyst Fitness? Catalyst Fitness is a public fitness group or gym that has 6 locations throughout Buffalo, New York. Locations include 2 gyms in Depew, 1 gym in Tonawanda, 1 in Buffalo, a newly built one in Amherst, and West Seneca. Catalyst Fitness is developed with coaches to help reach goals of clients in need of nutrition, weight loss, movement, and mindset. Do you need a membership? You do need a membership to go to Catalyst Fitness. There are 3 different memberships that you can choose from. The basic or the core is $9.99 a month, which gives you access to that one gym that you go to. So if you live in Hamburg and you go to the one in West Seneca, you can only go to West Seneca. Vice versa for all the other gyms. It includes one 30-minute workout with a trainer and a 30-minute goal analysis with a trainer. The Premier membership is $21.99 a month, which is access to all gym locations, a 30-minute workout with a trainer plus 30-minute goal analysis. You'll get guest privileges, which at all the gyms except the one in Amherst, you can bring guests all the time. But since the Amherst location is new, it was getting too filled with guests, and they limited to 3 days a week for guests. And you can get an unlimited hydro massage, which is a bed that you lay on, and it's like water jets that massage your muscles. The Premier Studio membership is $29.99 a month, which is access to all gym locations, 30-minute workout with a trainer, 30-minute goal analysis, guest privileges, unlimited hydro massage, and unlimited studio classes. Machines and equipment. There's a wide variety of cardio machines such as treadmills, bikes, row machines, stair steppers. Machines for all body types and parts such as legs, arms, back, shoulders, abdominals, and chest. All machines have guidelines and instructions on how to use the machine properly. There's trainers that walk around the gym routinely, and if you have a question, you can ask them to show you how to properly use the machine so you do not hurt yourself. Locker rooms. There's female and male locker rooms. All locker rooms are equipped with bathrooms and several mirrors and lockers for personal use. However, locks are not permitted. You can use them while you are working out, but the lock has to come off after you leave, or they will take them off. Saunas are in both gender locker rooms at the Amherst and Depew locations. All members have access to cubbies for personal use in the outside of locker rooms. You can use them for your keys, your wallet, your extra pair of shoes. Guests. Guests are required to enter with someone who has guest privilege membership only. However, if you come by yourself, you have to pay $10 every time you work out, or if you go with a guest, it's free. Guests must sign in with name and email and sign a waiver. A license or government ID is required to be held at the front desk until the workout is completed. After you complete your workout, you can then pick up your ID. Every time you go to the gym, you have to sign the waiver. If you are a guest, it doesn't save. Guests do not have access to hydro massage or the studio workouts. If you wanted those, you would have to get either the second or the third membership. Trainers. Trainers are available upon request and availability. Specific area of the gym is equipped for clients and trainers only for one-to-one training. Meal plans can be added as an addition to help get to the goal that is desired, which will be an additional cost. And pricing will be determined regarding what the client is looking for. So if you want to lose weight, gain muscle, or just tone. Time frame, so how long you think you're going to need to work out, months, few weeks, and amount of sessions. Are you going to go once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week? So pricing varies throughout each client.